So listen guys, today we are going to back to the cat touch the line and give you money. It's not I got moved the money now is a high score. So there's a new update. We added donuts. We have a new map and anything. Let's check the new map. Go play it though. And like to subscribe. Look. What's your username? My username is Dev. No. Not using my name. Mr. Dev. Okay. Oh god. Damn, okay. Okay, Bro! Oh my god. Mr. Dev. Thank you. Okay, you had to like audit it out. Oh, I lost. Oh, I got 3 stores. I did a loss. I could have touched it. Okay, did you see the high score? It says 9, 10. We're gonna add shop soon. Hey! Okay. Oh my god. Damn. Cat, what are you doing? Guys, I got dirty store. I just made this game though. But that's taking me 1 hour to make this. Not 1 hour. 1 hour to make it update. All a click it point. Oh yeah. Is it a click it game? Go on. Touch the line, buddy. Oh, okay, you touch the line, you ask me to give you a score in like 20. So that's way good. In the next update, we're gonna be adding more. So, bye. No. Oh, you're in 70. Oh, wait. God, he's going new. Okay. Do you want to play this? It's called, I don't know. Okay, what's happening? Okay. So thank you so guys. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you so much. And this is a look at my game. Cat touched the line. And thank you so much, guys. Today there's a new and say goodbye, guys. And hopefully we can get editing. We're gonna make it update like Monday, like Tuesday, like Wednesday. I don't know. And then so this is guys today's video, and see you later. Bye guys.